What's up, everybody? OMG, what? Follow E on OMG. Who? Follow E. OMG, yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Follow E. I'm not gonna do the whole opening or anything because right now the only thing that I am doing is basically I am just gonna do a food review, which is Pop Daddy snacks. I know that a lot of people are doing these snacks and everything, but I wanted to try for myself. Didn't nobody call me to get this in. So in the end, when it all boiled down, let me just cut it open and we gonna eat and we gonna talk. That's it. So let's start out with the first snack. This is called cinnamon sugar pretzel stick. So let's see what it is talking about. And I'm not going to struggle. I'm going to use this here. Well, let's make sure it happens, honey. I ain't going to say these the best scissors, but we going to do this. But I'm a chillin'. And it's a snack. And I want to do it in a snacking way. Hold on. Let's see. Cinnamon sugar pretzel snacks. I ain't gonna lie. I'm doing it like I'm doing it. I'm chilling at home. I'm licking fingers. Okay. I got some clips. I'm gonna lock it up. Okay. And which this one is? This one is Mexican street corn pretzel sticks. Let's see what she do. Wait a minute, that cinnamon is sticking on him. Okay. I'm doing it in a snack thing. So work with me, work with me. Well, let's see what this is tasting like. Mexican street corn. All right. Okay, so wait a minute. Let me get one more. I'm not getting paid for this review. I'm just doing it because I saw other people do it. And it wasn't that much expensive. Dill pickle. I don't know. I really don't like dill pickle. I'm going to see what I really think about this. They got their little tail part, but I'm going to use the scissors. Okay. Let's see what the dill pickle talking about. It is a snack. So let us snack. Let us really snack. I'm not a fan of it. I don't like the dill pickle chips. I just don't like. I like pickles, but I don't like chips. I don't. And I'm gonna at least taste it for y'all, but it is not doing it for me. You can have that. It's not nasty. I give that. But let's put some vinegar and salt in this. Now this is peppercorn ranch. I should have been doing this in the beginning. Let me go backwards. Okay. Let me go backwards. So y'all got it. Okay. So let me try the peppercorn ranch. I did like that dill pickle, but Okay. All right. I'm chilling. Y'all tripping. Well, let's put that right there, honey. Y'all know I'm gonna wear my Aubrey unconditionally. So this is peppercorn ranch. This not bad right here. This is not bad. Y'all, I haven't been on here because I lost my computer. I lost my laptop. I lost a lot of stuff. Not my house. I mean, nothing like that, but bills come first. This is good. The peppercorn ranch, I mean, it's killing the game. I can sit here and talk to y'all all day like this. I'm not gonna do that to you, and I lick my fingers. Okay. I can't lose one of them purses. Okay, so what is the next one? Smoky Gouda. Okay. I like pretzels. I really do. But I like it at a game or, you know, when I'm gonna just nibble on something. It's not something that I would eat, but it is very good with cream cheese. So we're doing smoky Gouda pretzels. Lay down with your girl, honey, and my Aubrey, everything, and my cover, all is Aubrey, honey. Let's do this. Let's see what this tastes like. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Smoky Gouda. Wait a minute, let me come closer. And then I lick my fingers. Y'all didn't see that? I did like, yeah. All right. Okay. All right. I still got some more down here. Oh my gosh. It's like, I wanted to really try it because everybody was trying it. And I wanted to try it. But I didn't get no endorsement. But, okay, let's just say if they telling the truth. Okay, which one this is? This is garlic parmesan. Garlic parmesan. Let's see if it tastes like that. Because I love me some garlic, honey. Honey. What we need to watch on TV? Call baby. This garlic parmesan, I would not be, I ain't getting paid. I'm telling you. Color up on this. I know I got some other ones to try, but baby, we be like this. I'm gonna be like, This how I'm gonna be. Okay. Dang, I want to eat. Baby, when I leave y'all, I'm gone. I'm going to eat that garlic parmesan. Okay. Which one this is? This is called hot sauce. Okay, let's see what they're doing. Let's cut that up. Okay, I'm gonna clean that up after I get off the camera. Don't worry about it. All right, let's see what this is. This tastes like powder. I would have wanted a little something a little bit better than this because as soon as you hit it, it hit your tongue. But I would have, it said hot sauce. Why not wing sauce? It's not nasty. Don't get me wrong. I did lick my fingers. Okay. Let's move on from that one. It ain't my best one. Okay, so this is beer cheese. Beer cheese. I don't know what beer cheese is. What is beer cheese? Maybe it's a funky cheese tasting. I don't know. Let's open up this bag and see what's going on. It tastes like a pretzel with something on it. Not no real good beer. I ain't tasting that. But beer cheese, maybe it's not. No. It tastes like a sour cream. Onion and sour cream. I don't get that. Baby, I got so many more out in here. Wait a minute. I got one more after this one. So let me. This was called yellow mustard. So let's see what her tastes like. I'm just gonna make one big bag and I'm gonna take it to work and let everybody taste it. Okay. So this is yellow mustard. I rock with this because I like mustard. It tastes just like yellow mustard. What movie on TV? Just like this. One more. I'm gonna lick my fingers. Okay. All right. But we got one more, and this is called buttery caramel corn. I don't know what this is about. I guess they gave you a little extra, and then they turn around and gave you a big bowl Papa Daddy like sticker. Nothing wrong with that. I'm not getting paid. This is not a paid promotion. But people was doing it, honey. I wanted to taste it because they acted like it was the best of the best of the best. So let's try this here. Let's see what this is all about. Laying on the couch with snacks. We do snacks, do it right. Okay. Let's try this here. Wait a minute. Buttery caramel corn. Huh. I'm a buttery really feel it. Huh. So let me tell y'all where I've been. I have lost all my computers and everything. It's just been taking me a minute because I'm only doing things on my phone. Right now, I've lost everything. And so I have to redo things in my business license and everything. Anyway, it is, but baby, I can't say this is good. So when you don't see me do any editing, one more piece, one more. Just one more. This is good. Just one more piece. One more. Give me one or two more. I'm gonna make 3. All I'm gonna say is I will be back very, very soon. And when I come in, I'm gonna come in hard. And so I will see y'all until then, and the editing you will not see until then. So I will see y'all until then. Auburn, War Eagle, baby. I will see y'all until then. Okay? Good night.